Well, as they say, थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता, आजकल सोनाक्षी से लगता है. Yeah. Okay, Sonakshi, so big new movie,
Yes.
and it's got you as the hero instead of the heroine, if I may say so.
You may not. I'm not be the heroine. Why do I need to be a hero? I'm a woman. I'm a girl.
The original has a hero who's
Yes.
good as your part. So, how was the transition for you? Did you kind of study up, and what all did you do to get to where you are at Akira today?
Well, I feel that this is happening for the first time. Nobody's ever changed the gender of a protagonist in a film while remaking it before. Murugadoss sir has gone and done exactly that. And I feel when he did that, that changed the perspective of the film entirely, and it made it so much more interesting for me. So when I saw it, I was like, oh my god, it automatically gets so much more interesting when you see a girl go through those situations that the guy went through in the film. So for me, it was a huge challenge to portray those emotions, that character, do the action that I've done in the film. So yeah, it's been a tremendous experience.
So tell us, you see, this is essentially an action movie, right? So was it really hard? I mean, this is something that you've never done before. I think nobody in Bollywood's done as much action as this, right? If I may say so.
Possibly. Actress, yes, possibly.
So how did you actually train for something like this? I mean, there must have been like I've seen the making videos.
Yeah.
Now those are kick-ass in the true sense of the word.
It was very, very painful, let me tell you. It was not an enjoyable process at all, but it made me stronger.
Okay.
I think physically, mentally, I had to undergo training in mixed martial arts before I started the film because I wanted it to look convincing. I wanted it to look like, I can do this. And honestly, you cannot go into a film like that unprepared.
You can't.
You can't.
Yeah.
It just won't happen.
So like was it like an 8-hour training like Akshay normally when he does a huge action movie before that he does like a 7-hour training a day and stuff like that. He does weights, he does multi-training and stuff like that.
It's also very important not to burn out, right?
Yeah.
You have to do it in your capacity where you have the energy left to go and actually execute that. What are you training for? To go to sleep? So no, I have to go and shoot the film as well. So honestly, I used to do about 2 hours, 2.5 hours every day. While I was shooting, when I found time, I would train. If I did not, I absolutely would not push my body because I can't. It's physically very, very strenuous. So you have to be careful also. You can't, be injuring yourself and falling sick.
Did you injure yourself during this? Because there was a report that you had.
I did actually because it's difficult to stay away from injury when you're doing something that is physically so, grueling. So I did injure myself.
And your dad is like a master at the art. So did he kind of say, "Bete, ye wali mat karna, wo koi dusri choose kar lena iski jagah."
My for the film?
Yeah.
No, he was actually so happy that I was doing this film because he said that he's obviously got the experience, right?
Yeah.
Of doing so many roles in films over the years. So he saw something special in this one as well. So he was very happy that I was doing
No, I'm extremely happy because the day I saw it, I said, wow, now this is a movie that actually does justice to you because, there is this whole persona about you as being strong and good and, stuff like that. So, okay, now coming back to the fact that you're fighting evil and stuff like that and you're a no-nonsense type. Does the no-nonsense in real life hurt you? Because I've seen this happen online with you a lot of times where you have finally said, okay, damn it.
Yeah.
So in real life, does the no-nonsense bit part of you hurt you?
Sometimes I think it's only natural. Honestly, I have a very good filter to just keep away from these negative things. I don't let negativity affect me, in whatever way. I try and stay away from it because there's far more positive things happening in my life right now, and I'm so happy, content with the work I'm doing, with how everything is just so fine and good that I don't need to let that negativity come in.
Okay, tell us a little bit about the villain of this film. The other thing that I was thrilled about was Anurag Kashyap, and he looks such a dude as the baddie.
And you have to see, he's a proper Takkar ka villain he's played in the film, and he's so good at acting. I think he should just do a lot more acting in life in general.
I think he'd kick our bus if we say that, but I think he should.
No, I used to tell him that when we were shooting the film. He's a really good actor, and I feel like he's got the pulse of the character in this film. He's played it to the T, and he's menacing as a villain. You want to beat him up. And you know, he's just
And you
like
get
a
to beat him up,
nasty
finally.
guy in the film.
I know. Okay, this is partly about ragging and college politics and the fights that happen within there. What is your advice to girls who go into college today? How should they be dealing with something?
Honestly, you know, it touches upon a few topics like ragging, like the acid attacks, and of course the overall message is basically to be so strong that you don't need to depend on anybody else to take care of you. I feel it's a very serious issue. It should not be taken lightly, and that's what I love about Murugadoss sir. All his films, in spite of being entertaining, they always have a message. They always have,
Right.
they always show a mirror to society, and he's done that even with this film. So there are a lot of topics like that that are touched upon within the film.
Okay, finally, one last big message that you need to give people to go watch this movie on Friday. That's to the camera.
I think Murugadoss sir has already given you the big message in the form
That's
of the,
Sonakshi's there?
in the form of the trailer, which I feel has got such a positive response. I'm so happy. Thank you all for appreciating it. But yes, go watch the film. You will not be disappointed. And if you don't, no one will be forgiven.
No, I know, that's deadly. No one will be
Yeah.
forgiven. But all the very best for the movie.
Thank you.
And I hope it rocks. And I'm
Thank you
sure
so
it will.
much. Thank you.